How to turn off autoplay on YouTube on your PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. After you open Google, simply search YouTube and click on one video. To turn autoplay off, make sure circle with triangle shape on is on the left side. And after it's turned off, it will show two lines inside the circle, and you'll find autoplay button beside caption in video. And this is how to turn off autoplay on YouTube on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.